So we're really excited to welcome the Synopsys ARC team. It's a global team, just like GlobalFoundries, decades of experience, incredible depth of talent around the world. So Samir, you've got a bigger team to go do amazing things.
Yeah, super exciting times. I mean, the team adds on to what we had at MIPS, and in many ways, the global footprint, the years of experience, the different skill sets we bring in, honestly just gets us ready to serve our customer base so much better, so much faster. Super exciting times.
So we're seeing the incredible growth of AI in the data center today, but going forward, we see an even bigger opportunity in the physical world around us. As AI enables use cases we could only dream of before, we're going to need completely new architectures, new processes, new devices. Classic sense, think, act, and communicate paradigm is going to be really unleashed on the world. And so this team has a lot to do to go build those devices.
End of the day, the manifestation of AI in our real life is where the opportunity lies. And while data centers have shown the path of what AI can transform our society and our lives to, I think that's just the beginning. Because once this thing starts coming into our daily life, machines, the processing required in these machines just fundamentally evolves. That's a pretty large opportunity. It's exciting and a lot of work ahead, but honestly, as semiconductor professionals, it's probably a once in a lifetime opportunity to go capitalize and build something which is great. What we're trying to go change with MIPS and now ARC is we've got to go start catering to the software engineers. What it means by that is the AI workloads define the hardware, not the other way around. So when you're starting to develop your system, you got to start with what your workload is and then marry those needs to the compute solutions available and being flexible on the compute solutions, truly having the freedom to compute with whatever workload you have in mind. And at MIPS and ARC, we are actively building that tool chain. We're actively building the flow, which allows software engineers at our customers to start with their problem and then let the hardware be defined as we go in with standard Open RISC-V compute. Starting with software is super critical for agentic AI at the edge because the unique workloads define what hardware you want. Picking up standard off-the-shelf hardware and trying to fit in your workloads will often result in a sub-optimum system. Either it'll be too expensive, it'll consume too much power, or fundamentally won't just process what you're trying to go do. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to let our software engineers at our customers first define the workload and then pick what processing solutions they want out of many available standard solutions and then customize the hardware to meet that use case. If we are able to let our customers define their software workload and then build purpose-built hardware, this will result in systems which are lower cost, better performance, and definitely consume lesser power. So to truly manifest AI at the edge of physical AI, it needs to start with software and then hardware. Combining MIPS and ARC, we have created essentially a one-of-its-kind RISC-V compute solution provider where we are now able to provide our customers everything starting from entry-level microcontrollers all the way up to very, very high-performance application cores. And we now have capability to go provide our customers AI solutions, including an open-source stack, including solutions which they can go accelerate time to market with. On the whole, we are now able to serve our customers end-to-end, better, faster. We have a much larger global footprint to support customers everywhere. And I think this should really help the ecosystem on the RISC-V side move quicker and start getting RISC-V into higher performance deployment cases very, very soon.
So at GF, we believe that scale is essential. And having a scaled RISC-V IP provider, in fact, the number one RISC-V IP provider, is very important to us because without that, we can't accelerate this physical AI transition and we can't enable all of those incredible use cases that our customers want to build. One of the things we love is that combining this with a global manufacturing footprint means that not only can we have software engineers design and develop, but also all the way through to manufacturing and productization of their ideas. And so this is a unique opportunity, again, to accelerate that physical AI transition.